Experience luxury. Experience beauty. Experience the Mother's Car Spa and Bathhouse. The therapeutic getaway for your hard-working whip. Imagine a team of qualified experts working on your car day and night, giving it the full V.I.V experience. Pick from a range of treatment options, such as the interior facelift to keep your car looking young. Mother's VLR, vinyl leather rubber care, easily removes stubborn dirt and soil and conditions your leather and rubber, leaving it supple and protecting it from cracking. Then apply a cleansing spritz of total interior detailer to screens the dash and glass to remove oily fingerprint buildup.
I brought my lowrider here last spring. Now she looks young again, like the car I fell in love with in college.
You care for your face, so why not your car's face? The leather and the rubber. Treat your vehicle right and give it that mother's love. Mother's Polish, it's a spa for your car. Click the link below to learn more.
Wouldn't the face be like the headlights and stuff?
The interior face.
Like the soul?
Hey buddy, if I wanted a philosophy lesson, I would have called a philosophy guy.
You mean a philosopher?
Come here.
Oh, not this guy.
Hey, come here.